Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to get a variable from a user input. At first, since there are many ways to do this, I'm going to show you how I do it. My code will ignore any spaces, so if the user entered this, it will just ignore spaces. And my code will ignore the things written after this close parentheses. These are needed for my game, so that's how I'm going to show you. So let me get to it. First let me show you how it works. As you can see, it made two different variables and it was able to print them separately. Now the code. This function does all that. So the user input comes, then I wrote it into an array using this for loop. I use this method to get characters out of this string. There are faster ways, but this is the most readable one. I don't insert it if it's a space. That's how I ignore spaces. So that's basically how I create the array. After that, we have our variables. I'm going to explain them as I come to them. This for loop is our main loop. This should be complete boolean is actually checking if the close parentheses has been read. If it has been read, if close parentheses is read, then this should be complete is true, and it just ignores rest of the array and returns the values it has stored. But how does it store those values? Let me come to that. If the current character is open parentheses, it makes a is input true. And here is our main storing code. If is input is true, we are writing the current character to user input. If it is false, we are writing it to user code. So these are the two separate variables we return, and in the end we are able to do this. So that's it. Thanks for watching.